the centre of the dual epidemics of HIV and TB. This is the place where if we marry together the ability to see that disease, be able to sample those individuals and actually be able to undertake the basic science research all in the same place, then this is the one place where we can, more than anywhere else in the world, eliminate new HIV infections and significantly reduce TB transmissions. We represent 2 research institutes, both of which aspire to world-class research. And we have put our ideas together in order to generate this new institute, which can amplify what is possible. We bring together expertise and academic expertise and staff expertise in population health research, and we marry that with a fantastic laboratory-based program at KZN. We have an unenviable resource for this aspiration. We have, on the one hand, a population of more than 100,000 individuals where we visit them in their homes so we can understand something about the social and economic determinants of ill health. Together, we can link that to clinical information from the Department of Health directly and from our nurses that sit in clinics. We can understand what is the disease burden, what is the types of disease that people are getting, whether people get very ill or not ill, whether people are progressing in their disease or not. And then at the Durban base, we have 2 ways of exploring this further. First of all, we have access to quite specialist hospitals where we can, for instance, sample lung tissue from people with TB undergoing lung resection. So do some very detailed biological studies on that lung tissue, and then laboratories which are second to none. So we have better laboratories than many people will find in the US and the UK. And putting all of these different building blocks together, we really feel we can merge disciplines to answer some of the most fundamental questions that are remaining about HIV, TB and their related diseases for this population. So in order to do world-class research in this sort of setting, it's essential that we have a cadre of young scientists, bright scientists from this part of the world helping this to happen, because this becomes the future generation of scientists, and the sustainability of the research here is highly dependent on such individuals. For that reason, and that reason alone, we feel that we want to invest heavily in giving those younger scientists an opportunity to do PhDs and then grow into faculty. And that's a specific commitment of the new institute. So if there's one place in the world that we can A, eliminate new HIV infections, and 2, significantly reduce transmissions of TB and drug-resistant TB, this is it. This is why I'm so excited to be here.